is January 11th or 13th. First time out plowing this year. Unbelievable. Yeah, they said we're gonna get a big lake effect storm, 12 to 18 inches. We got about 3 or 4. Oh, this is dangerous here. About 3 or 4 inches. We got. So it's been snowing here the last hour or so really hard, and the roads are all slippery as heck now. They were pretty good. I went out about 4:30 because it really didn't start snowing until then. When I left home, there was only an inch, but other places got 4 inches, and Ballinsville had, you know, they had a lot more, just a little bit up the thruway, but they're a little bit north of here. So yeah, finally get to go out and plow. Just got 1 or 2 more to do, I think, and should be done. Maybe I can get some sleep. Well, that's it for now. Oh, snow just about stopped now. Up on the hills of Camillus. Pretty hilly. A little snowy. Got the dogs with me. They've been doing good. Still got Demi Dog. He's gonna be with us for another few weeks or so, I guess. Snoop here getting long good. So, oh, now Demi heard me talk his name. Okay. Now he's on my lap. Oh, I gotta get him off so I can do it. Alright, that's it for now. Man, look at this in the village. Plowing in the village of Camillus. There's like ½ inch to 1 inch of snow here. Up on Canton Street there heading towards Beeville, there was about 5-6 inches. What a difference. Wow. I can't believe that we didn't get nothing here. My phone keeps falling out. Okay, that's it for now.